Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to delete a status on your WhatsApp. First step is open your WhatsApp, tap 3 dots next to status update you want to delete. Tap and hold status update, then tap delete in the top right corner. Then tap delete. Now you can see your status is deleted now.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.